What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. In this video we'll do a full technical analysis on Luna Classic. I'll be showing you why it is still very bullish and in a strong uptrend, and why I still expect us to get our next bullish breakout and get up to 20,000 and 20,500, which is, quick disclaimer, always what I name the prices as. It's just easier that way, but we'll also talk about some fundamentals and just in general, I think everything you need to know about Luna Classic for today. And at the end of the video, I also have a question regarding my Luna Classic daily updates and my analysis. So please stay tuned for that and let me know what you think. But that's I'll keep that to the end of the video. First, let's just focus on Luna Classic. Since yesterday, volume has dropped down another 35%. I think yesterday the decrease was also something like 30, 35, 40%. Not the end of the world still. It's compared to the market cap, it's still actually pretty high. And even if you compare it over the last 3 months, we've definitely seen times where the volume was lower than where it's at right now, and I do have good faith that it will increase again somewhere, or at least the nearer we get to the end of the week, because it seems like the increased volatility usually comes at the end of the week for crypto lately. So yeah, I mean the statistics might not look great, but apart from that, I mean it's just been solid. I mean technically we've been very solid. You can see that we've been respecting that 50 EMA very well, 28 EMA as well, and just this general uptrend, which I drew a trend line to kind of visualize it, but this trend line is far from valid and reliable. But it does have some backing, and it did get this nice touch right here. But just in general, what you can see is that there's this uptrend going on. Ooh, this is going to be very beautiful. Where we had one bearish breakout right here when there were some bearish fundamentals in the market that had nothing to do with Luna Classic. So we're still holding this uptrend, I think. And apart from that, fundamentally, I mean the Luna Classic burns have just been oh excuse me, that's the burn tax I meant. It's just doing its thing. I really don't see any need on why to show this anymore. Total, we only burned 13 billion almost, but it's been doing its thing. It's doing what it's supposed to, I guess. Soon we'll have the V1.05 upgrade for Luna Classic. This could actually be bullish, so leading up to February the 14th we could become a little bit bullish, but that still takes some time, 3 weeks or something. Because this could be seen, and that's quite an interesting take on it, but this could be seen as an argument on showing people that, hey, the TERRA Classic blockchain is actually improving again. We're actually doing great things, and we're actually improving the blockchain, and we're making it better for everybody. The ecosystem is growing. That could become a narrative around it. I don't think that's the narrative yet. I don't think the bullish momentum we have right now comes from this, but it's definitely something I'll keep you updated on, and I think it's interesting as well. But that's just what's been going on. I mean, apart from that, no big fundamentals, no new proposals, nothing. So yeah, but apart from that, as I said, technically we're still bullish. The fundamentals that we have are not necessarily bearish, and the market surrounding Luna Classic is still very bullish. Bitcoin above 23,000, Ethereum still trying to break above 1670. So in general, I'm bullish, and I still think that Luna Classic will hold this bullish momentum. That might mean that that off of this resistance level, our main resistance level around 18,500, that we might shoot down towards 17,000 could very well happen. But in general, I would still consider us bullish then. And I would still think that at some point, probably in the next 5 days, we'll be able to break above 18,500 and get to our price target. So yeah, that's technically my analysis is still the same, and that's also why I wanted to ask you the question: do you still want these daily Luna Classic updates? Because personally, I mean, I don't mind doing them because they're viewed a lot, and I know that a lot of people value them. But at some times, I mean, right now my analysis really wasn't different from my analysis yesterday. I tried to add some other fundamentals into it to make it interesting, to make it valuable. But please let me know if you would want these every day, or just every day that it's necessary. That way I at least know that these are still valuable to some of you. So that's my take on Luna Classic for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.